This is the most fundamental palindrome LeetCode problem that companies such as Meta love to ask. It says, given a string S, return true if the string can be a palindrome after removing at most one character from it. For example here, if we delete the character C, we have a palindrome with just ABA. Now in this example, there is no character we can remove from the string to make it a valid palindrome, so we return false. Here's how we can solve this problem. We start with the left and right pointers and move them inwards until we break the palindrome. If the palindrome breaks, we want to try both versions of the string where we move either the left pointer inwards or remove the right pointer inwards. In this way, we're trying all ways to see if we can fix the palindrome that we just saw was broken. If either pointer skipping a character resulted in a palindrome, then we know that we can create a palindromic string by removing one character from the original string. But if neither iteration results in a palindrome, then we know that we can't create a palindrome by removing just one character. Let's hop into the code. First, we initialize our left and right pointers, and since we want to move our left and right pointers towards the center until they meet, we have this while loop that goes until the left pointer is greater than or equal to right. Now, as we discussed, if the palindrome breaks at any point, we want to check both iterations. So we use a helper method that simply determines if a string is a palindrome, and we use this helper method to check both versions of the string where the left pointer is increased one or the right pointer is decreased one. This will return true if either versions resulted in a valid palindrome, or false if both of them were not valid palindromes. But if the palindrome has not broken yet, we continue moving inwards. And if the original string was already a palindrome and we didn't catch it with this if statement, then we return true after we break out of the while loop. And if we run, it passed. Share this with a friend that also studies computer science and follow for more daily tech content.